Ohio is known as the perfect place for perverts and killers to stalk their prey and lure them into their myths. And it all happens with a clickbaity advertisement, just like the ones we use here on Modern Wiz. And that's why Craigslist has become the premier website to catch a predator or catch a knife to the neck. With that being said, welcome to our list of 5 terrifying Craigslist encounters. Fake rape fantasy ad. Michelle Hadley stalked and threatened her ex-boyfriend's pregnant wife for months. When she was hit with a restraining order, she posted an ad on Craigslist pretending to be the pregnant wife and asking to be raped by multiple men. In a real-life rape fantasy, she supplied the men responding to the ad with pictures, routines of the couple, and their home address. The men acted on the ad and went in to rape the pregnant woman. Luckily, she escaped, but Cray Cray Michelle has since been charged with 10 felonies, including stalking, threats, assault, and attempted forcible rape. Maid Raper, 27-year-old 300-pounder Michael Delgado put on an ad on Craigslist looking for a housekeeper. The 42-year-old woman was greeted by him and brought her through his gated apartment complex. He then forcibly raped her for an hour and used foreign objects as well. This rapist is now locked up getting that D by Bubba McBalls in cell block D. Nanny Murder. The generic term for Craigslist killer should tell you something, because when Catherine Ann Olson responded to an ad on the popular site for a nanny job, killer Michael John Anderson of Minnesota thought it would be funny to shoot Catherine in the back and stuff her into the trunk of her own car, and then ditch the vehicle. As a result, Anderson received a life sentence without the possibility of parole. Raped by fantasy ad. In December of 2009, Sarah was attacked and raped at her home by Ty McDowell with a knife to her neck. McDowell responded to an ad asking someone to fulfill a vicious rape fantasy to Sarah. The problem was, Sarah did not post the ad. Her crazy ex-boyfriend, Jebediah Stipe, did. After she was raped by Ty McDowell, her attacker was arrested. While Sarah was in the emergency room, her fiancé went back to the home to grab her glasses when another man was standing in their home with a camera set up. The man proceeded to explain to Sarah's fiancé that he received email instructions from a Jay Stipe. McDowell, a married man with 2 kids, was convicted and sentenced to 60 years. Stipe was also given a 60-year sentence. The Craigslist Killer. Philip Haynes Markoff was an engaged medical student with a bright future when things turned a complete 360 as he began robbing escorts on Craigslist. As Philip responded to the erotic section on the site, he would bound and gag the women at hotels and rob them at gunpoint. He then proceeded to kill Jalissa Brisman on April 14, 2009, at the Marriott Hotel in Boston. Friends and family were shocked and were in disbelief, stating that Philip couldn't hurt a fly. While awaiting trial, Philip committed suicide. And there you have it, our list of 5 terrifying Craigslist encounters. Did we miss any other fucked up stories? If so, mention them in the comment section below. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.